County testimony is now over in the trial of a man accused of killing a local Navy commander. Anthony Washington is accused of killing Alphonso Doss in 2014. Channel 4's Chris Parento spent the day in court where the judge denied a last-minute motion for acquittal by Washington's attorney.
It could be a long night for jurors, but the judge is going to give them the option at about 6:30 to decide whether or not they want to continue their deliberations tonight or come back either tomorrow or Monday. Either way, the judge is hopeful that a verdict could come quickly.
What person claims self-defense if he's justified and does that and then just takes off? And then repeatedly lies to the police.
Prosecutor Bernie De La Rionda made his last pitch to jurors during closing arguments that Anthony Washington should be convicted of first-degree murder. He told jurors that in Washington's own words, the jurors got to hear what he did. He again laid out the timeline of events and said Washington and Ronnie Wilson, who is also awaiting trial in this case, had a plan to ambush Doss after they went into his hotel room.
See, he keeps changing his story, and every time the facts don't support it, he changes it somewhat to try to make it fit the facts.
Washington's attorney, Tom Fallis, gave the jury a much different version of February 10th, 2014.
So the Ronnie says we don't have to prove any motive in this case. Well, I guess technically they don't. But there was a motive in this case, and it was that of Mr. Washington. But it wasn't a motive to commit murder. It was a motive to protect people he cared for.
Fallis says Washington had gone to the room to scare Doss. He says there is not enough evidence from the state to prove premeditated murder, nor is there enough to prove felony murder. Fallis says his client was defending himself when Doss attacked him inside room 183 of the Astoria Hotel. Again, jury deliberation started just before 5 o'clock. The hope is that the jurors will be able to reach a verdict at some point tonight. When that does happen, we'll, of course, have that on our website, news4jax.com. At the Clay County Courthouse, I'm Chris Parento, Channel 4, the local station.